It's weekend, and weekend is for learning. And this my boy loves to cook. This was him. He was 2 years old, preparing veggies for me to cook soup. And he is gonna be one of the best chefs that will ever come out from my house. He loves to cook. Now he's 5 years old and he still loves to cook, especially what he loves to eat. So we normally make pancake or waffles on weekends and Saturdays, and they are working their way to knowing how to make it themselves. So we always do it together, me and my two boys, and sometimes I do it with my girls as well. So this time around it was me and my boys. So I will share anything that we put between the two of them. When one is putting baking powder, the other one wants to put baking powder. When one is putting oil, the other one wants to put oil. So that's how they are rolling it. And if you see me, turning off the volume, is because my 5-year-old was coughing, and you will hear that in some of the scenes that he will talk. So I have to remove that. So that's how we do it. We make sure that the two of them participate, and most especially my 5-year-old does it in style.
That's okay. I wish I could take the sugar. Mix it up. Gentle. Okay. You're not. Okay. Let's get salt. Stop.
And as kids, they play as they are cooking. They have fun. Everything has to be fun for them to enjoy it. So that's fine for me. As long as they're learning, I'm okay with that. My oldest son is 8 and the other one is 5. So they're learning real good.
No, I need to crack that.
One. So that's one. Crack. Wait for Abundance to finish. Good job. Let me put in the trash. To that crack. Good job. Put in the trash. Put in the trash.
I thought you were gonna break it.
Come on, mix it up.
The egg. Bye eggs. The egg. Your turn to mix it.
Mix it good. Then it's time to put in milk.
I want milk.
No, wait. It's not milk. It's not milk for now.
Stop.
Let's try the oil. Abundance, you take first.
I'm afraid. Get it bigger. More. Think that's enough.
Mix it up.
More, hurry. You'll be great chef one day. And that makes me the most important.
So my oldest child said they're going to be great chef one day. And my 5-year-old said that makes me the most important, which is fabulous.
Put the milk. Did I put one? Put a little. Put.
The little. Not too even bigger.
Okay.
I told you.
Abundance, put more.
Are you sure they're gonna make great cooks?
Yeah, just throw that in Abundance.
Huh?
Abundance, put more. Throw that. Okay. Abundance, mix.
Okay, mix slowly. I want to finish my factor.
Give it to Tada.
Your turn.
Good. Gentle. Mix it. Remove your face. Mix it. Mix it, buddy.
So my job is to teach and monitor, and also do it for them to see it and give it to them to do it as well. So I'm there to supervise as well as teach them how to do it. I hope you like the video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below. and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.
The pancakes making me dizzy.
Most importantly, I love their teamwork. Teamwork makes a dream work. So when it comes to the heat, fire and cooking, I'll make sure I handle it almost 100% because they are kids, and I assist as much as I can, making sure that nobody gets hurt. So the first one is done. My son will come and put his on, and then he will take it out when it's done. So that's how we roll. Every weekend, I must make sure they learn one or two things, because the school takes a large amount of hours from these children. And if care is not taken, they might not learn anything. So Saturdays, we make sure we utilize it and help them learn something every week. So that evening, I also made meat pie with my little girl, my 3-year-old, and she is using her own tool while I'm using the big one to roll my dough. I think it's called the rolling pin. So she has her own and I have mine. So you see how she will be helping, and that makes it fun for me and her. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know your thought below. Thank you. Working with kids can be challenging. It can be, delaying, but it is fun. You see the way she was rushing to hold the plate for me and helping to take the plate off. It was, fun for me, just as it is to her. So I love it. I love it. It might be delaying, but I am loving it. The ultimate part is to teach as much as you are able and to be patient as much as you can. That is parenting for you. That is motherhood for you. She is even singing as she's working, meaning she's enjoying it.
Me, mommy, oh, no.
Do it. Good job. Good job. Good job, Mama.
Me, I'll do it.
Don't worry. Good job. Good job.
Yay. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
Once again, I'm making meat pies. So I'm putting the ground beef inside the dough, and I will cover it up, and she will also help to do it. So the first round is in the oven and is almost done. In fact, because of her, I forgot it and it stayed a little bit longer, but it was still good. She wants to do it by herself, but I prefer to hold her hands and let's do it together. So that was the first batch, and this was the second one, looking so yummy. Yes, it is yummy. Now, do you like it? Yes. So this was the following weekend. It was girls' turn. My oldest knows how to make pancake or waffle batter. So she and the youngest child, my toddler, are making it together. While my boys are playing at the background, you can hear their voices. So it was girls' turn.
Put more.
You can do it, Jonah.
The little sister said, "You can do it, Joanna." She is definitely a cheerleader. So my oldest girl started making pancake when she was 8 years old. Now she's 10 years old. So she knows how to make pancake very, very well. And she's teaching her youngest sister. You know she's having fun when she's singing while working. She looks so serious. I mean my 3-year-old.
Serious. Hey! Sorry. You're making mad.
You should see the one that you did on the flower.
You should fall.
Is Joanna making a mess?
Yeah, Jonah making mess.
No,
Mom,
not.
Jonah making mess.
Okay, I can see.
Not that big of a mess.
Let her mix it. Lena, gentle. So my oldest child has been making this for a while now, so she can handle the waffle maker, taking it out and pouring it in. But I'm the camera lady, so I'm also monitoring her and watching her, but she can do it by herself. It's not that hard. So this is how we all participate in making breakfast on Saturday morning. And sometimes we do pancake out of the same batter, so it's not only waffle that we eat. And also some weekends we want to just switch it up and we make cupcakes and we use it as snack. They can use it for their lunches, school lunch. And my little boy, the chef of the house, will always want to help because he loves it. And also his brother too. Cracking eggs is his favorite. And take another one.
And another one.
He wanted to crack all the eggs, so I left it for his brother to do it. Here is helping to put the butter into the cupcake pan. And this was how it looks like. So yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Crack it again. Okay, Eliana, crack your eggs.
Okay.
Good job.